Hi, my name is Karen Barnes and I'm here today on behalf of the Interflora Floristry Trade Club. And I'm going to show you some designs today. The one here that you see in front of me is suitable for the winter Christmas festive season.
If you're really interested and you would like to see some more inspiration, like, share and subscribe. And for a discount off the Floristry Trade Club membership, look at the link below in the description.
This is one of the arrangements that I've designed for the winter Christmas festive season. I've arranged this arrangement in a lovely clear, very classical vase, and then I've used a wire mesh which is like a framework so that it's very easy to reuse over and over again. Quite easy to make for yourself with some stub wires. But I really want to concentrate on the materials that I've chosen for this arrangement. I've purposely gone for something that looks a bit more luxurious, but also quite natural. So I've got the cupress, I've got the amazing limoniums, the astilbe, these spray roses. They have such a warmth about them. And they are called Salinero, and they have lots and lots of heads on them. They're a Dutch grower, so I would advise, if you want this sort of colour, have a look out for these. We've also got the black Baccara Roses, which have that very almost rich velvety look, which velvet is very much in for this season. And I've got some gorgeous, very soft asparagus fern, a different variety. And I've got the calico, which gives it that sort of punch to it. It's a little bit natural, it looks a bit dried, it's got all that metallic look, even though it's very fresh. But the one thing that I really need to talk about is these gorgeous, beautiful ivory anemones. These are Italian grown, and I specifically asked our supplier from Holland to get the Italian ones. Their stems are absolutely exquisite. They are very thick. You may pay a little bit more for them, but they are truly well worth it. And the form of the flower and how it blossoms and opens is absolutely stunning. This is a very easy arrangement to put in. You can put as few or as many materials in as you like. It can be used for a commercial order, or it could be used as a fabulous gift or self-purchase. This is something that's all the way round. It can be seen from every angle, and it has a lot of interest in all the angles that it has.
If you're really interested and you would like to see some more inspiration, like, share and subscribe. And for a discount off the Floristry Trade Club membership, look at the link below in the description.